Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring to new heights with a battle of the skies. In the left corner, we have the budget-friendly DroneEye F10 foldable drone, and in the right corner, the premium Holystone GPS drone HS360S. Buckle up, because this is going to be a turbulent ride. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes your wallet cry: the price. The DroneEye F10 comes in at a modest $79. That's right, folks, you could probably buy it with the coins you find in your couch. But our Holystone HS360S is a bit more, shall we say, high maintenance at $209. For that price, it better come with a pilot's license and a free lunch. Next, let's zoom in on camera quality. The DroneEye F10 sports a 1080p FPV camera. Not too shabby, right? It's like having your own personal paparazzi, but without the restraining order. On the flip side, the Holystone HS360S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. This thing captures more detail than your nosy neighbor's binoculars. If you want to see every leaf on a tree from 10,000 feet, Holystone's got you covered. Now, let's talk tricks and treats. The DroneEye F10 is like the circus performer of drones, with 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and custom flight paths. It's perfect for showing off at family BBQs or impressing your dog. And it's got an altitude hold feature to keep it stable, even if your hands are as shaky as a coffee addict after a triple espresso. But the Holystone HS360S is no slouch either. It's got GPS functionality, which means it won't get lost like you in a corn maze. Plus, it has return home function for when it realizes it's gone too far and misses you. And let's not forget those fancy modes like spiral up, catapult, and follow me. It's basically the drone version of a Swiss Army knife. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie who thinks hover is just a setting on your vacuum cleaner. The DroneEye F10 is beginner-friendly with a one-key start, landing, and headless mode. Even your grandma could fly it, and she still thinks Wi-Fi is a type of cookie. But wait, the Holystone HS360S is also user-friendly. It's got optical flow positioning and a beginner mode that practically holds your hand while you fly. It's like the drone saying, "Don't worry, I got this." Perfect for those of us who need a little extra TLC. Finally, let's talk about battery life and range. The DroneEye F10 gives you a decent amount of fun with a stable flight, but its range is limited to 120 meters. That's like taking your drone for a walk around the block. Meanwhile, the Holystone HS360S can go up to 10,000 feet. That's higher than your hopes and dreams. And it's got a 20-minute flight time. You could practically fly it to your ex's house and back without breaking a sweat. Based on Amazon reviews, the DroneEye F10 foldable drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and entertaining flight features. However, it has mixed reviews about camera quality and reliability. On the other hand, the Holystone GPS drone HS360S is highly recommended for its high-quality camera, stable flight, and advanced features, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. So there you have it, folks. The DroneEye F10 is perfect if you're balling on a budget and just want some casual fun. But if you've got some extra cash and want all the bells and whistles, the Holystone HS360S is your go-to sky buddy? Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buys. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.